Now we are going to discuss about the Mesozoic era of the geological time. In the previous video, we have discussed about the Precambrian and initiation of post-Cambrian, the Paleozoic era. In the Paleozoic era, we have seen that how land was covered with water and the great evolution of invertebrates. Then we saw that as the time passes, there was evolution of land vertebrate also, because the dry land was evolving from the aquatic environment. And in the last of the Paleozoic era, we have seen that how aquatic habitat and how aquatic organism face decline. The land was almost dry and all the aquatic organisms were died out in the last of the Paleozoic era, and that's how the life ends in the Paleozoic era. The causes behind that decline was climate changes, was dry conditions, Appalachian revolution, formation of the mountains, glaciation, and that was the end of the Paleozoic era. Now there is a new start, new beginning of life, Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era, as we have seen that aquatic environment has ended. Now environment is dry and their land is almost dry, and there is a new beginning, Mesozoic era. Mainly Mesozoic era is relevant to the reptiles, dinosaurs, which are reptiles, so we also called Mesozoic era the age of reptiles. Then Mesozoic era is further consist of 3 periods. We will discuss these periods one by one. At first we will discuss about the Triassic period. The Triassic period, most of the continental area were above the water. In Triassic period, as we have seen, land was dried in the previous era. Now there is continental area above water, climate was dry and warmer. The pteridophytes and seed ferns decline in number, and gymnosperms increase very much. Furthermore, the trilobites became completely extinct in that period, and the fossils remains of crocodile-like reptiles have been found in this period. The Triassic period dinosaurs varied in size from a sheep to a horse. As we have discussed this point that Mesozoic era is generally about the dinosaurs. So in Triassic period, the dinosaurs were varied in their size from a sheep to a horse, and that was all about the Triassic period. Now we will discuss about the Jurassic period. Jurassic period, mainly there was a great evolution of insects like termites, grasshoppers, cockroaches, bees, wasps, ants, and this is one of the example, wasp, and with their this is their imprints, fossils. And there was also an important event, the evolution of bony fishes, teleost, and other important organisms of Jurassic period is dinosaurs. These are the important dinosaurs which were present in the Jurassic period: sauropods, which were long-necked, long tails, and stegosaurs, armored dinosaurs, and the third one is carnivorous theropods, which walk on their hind legs. And except that, in the Jurassic period, we also saw that there was an evolution of 2 other phylums. Birds or mammals were also seen in that period. The birds like mammals, Archaeopteryx, which we have also studied about that, and there was a mammal, rat-sized mammal evolved in the Jurassic period. Then at the end we will discuss about the Cretaceous period. It was one of the most important of all the geological periods. Why? Because it marked by a major advance of the sea in part of the world and by the great thickness of both marine and continental sediments. As we have discussed that there was the end of the aquatic environment. Now in the Cretaceous period there is again seas were evolved in the environment. There was a start of a marine sediments or marine environment. The Cretaceous period actually is marked with two important events, and these important events are the rise of the flowering plants and the extinction of dinosaurs. This is Cretaceous period is the end of the Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era end with the extinction of the dinosaurs. Now the question is that why dinosaur extinct? There are many hypotheses related to the extinction of dinosaurs. I will discuss few. There is one hypothesis that they were cold-blooded animals and there was a sudden change in the climate, so they cannot bear it. As we know that cold-blooded animals cannot regulate their body according to the environment, there was a sudden change in the environment, so they cannot regulate their body, so they become extinct. Other hypothesis is that there was environment which was unfavorable for plants. As the plants finish from that area, so herbivorous dinosaurs affect badly. There was a lack of adequate food for the herbivorous dinosaurs, so they become died, and carnivorous dinosaurs which were dependent upon the herbivorous dinosaurs, they also died. There was a disturbance of food chain. Lack of adequate food was the cause of extinction. This is one of the hypotheses. And some hypotheses other are that there was alkali poisoning of food. Again, food chain disturbance. Herbivorous eat the alkaloid plants which cause poison and they died, and when the carnivorous eat the herbivorous dinosaurs, they also died, and that was the cause of their extinction. Or it may be some epidemic viral disease which caused their extinction. And one of the most important and recent hypotheses is that there was an asteroid that collide with the earth, so there was dust and sun rays cannot reach the earth properly, so there was no process of photosynthesis. Plants were eliminated from their environment, so there was also a disturbance of food chain which caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. That was all about the Mesozoic era.